Alright, hey guys, I'm here with another Halloween Horror Nights update, so let's start. Alright, so for my first kind of speculation is that I think the Strangers might come to Halloween Horror Nights. Now, the reason why I say the Strangers might come to Halloween Horror Nights is because it has been at Halloween Horror Nights before in 2008, I believe, in the House of Horrors. Now, if my memory serves me correct, when you went to the House of Horrors, you would go into the house, and the only difference would be that the strangers would be randomly appearing throughout the maze. Now, the fact that there's another Strangers movies, Prey at Night, is coming out, that does make me think it might come to Halloween Horror Nights. Now, it does have memorable characters, and then it also, a new film is coming out, a great way to promote it. So could the Strangers be coming to this year's Halloween Horror Nights? Maybe. Now, what I'm not really sure about is the fact that if the Strangers and Stranger Things would be both in the same event in the same year, it might not be, so one of them might not be able to come, but definitely I have a strong feeling that either the Strangers and or the Stranger Things will be coming to Halloween Horror Nights. It would be weird to see both of them in one year's lineup, so we're going to have to wait and see. But don't be surprised if we get the Strangers this year at Halloween Horror Nights. Alright, so that's my speculation, and I just recently saw like a trailer or like a poster for the Strangers, and I thought that is coming to Halloween Horror Nights. How could I not think of that? So I think it's slipping under everyone's radar, but like I said, the Strangers does have memorable characters, and it has been to Halloween Horror Nights before. So yeah, don't be surprised if the Strangers comes to Halloween Horror Nights this year. Now, John Murdy on Twitter has said that he's not sure if he's going to be able to attend this year's Monsterpalooza, since he does live in Ireland right now, and he has to travel back and forth, so he might not be at this year's panel for Monsterpalooza. Still not sure, we're going to find out on Twitter, but usually I attend those every year, and the only bad thing is that you don't get to find out what's going to Halloween Horror Nights because it's way too early in the season. So, I mean, other than that, there's not much of a reason to go, but if you want to learn about behind the scenes for Halloween Horror Nights, it's great information that you'll learn. You get the concept art, the maze layout, he shows it all. I have videos on YouTube which you guys can watch. The first code name is Terror in the Aisle. So now we finally, after speculating that we might not get a code name for the mazes this year, we finally got one. It's Terror in the Aisle. No idea what that means. That's pretty much all the Halloween Horror Nights updates I have right now. Besides, who knows if John Murdy will be coming to Monsterpalooza, and the fact that the Strangers could possibly coming to Halloween Horror Nights, or even the Terror Tram, because there is a new film coming out, and they have appeared before at HHN, but a very long time ago. So now, let me discuss something. So YouTube has recently, if you guys don't know about the apocalypse, and also the new YouTube guidelines, apparently right now I don't qualify to be a YouTube partner, so this makes it even harder to kind of keep these videos going. I will definitely keep it going, but they're not going to be as frequent as I would like to, because so much of my time is spent working and I'm not able to create content. Alright, you guys, so make sure to check out my new podcast. There's a new podcast. If you go on iTunes, you guys will definitely see it. I really hope you guys check out the podcast, and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and tell me what you guys think about the Strangers coming to Halloween Horror Nights, and maybe even Stranger Things. It would be a strange year if we got it. But no, seriously, you guys, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll catch you guys later.